First question is, which of the part of Asian tigers? South Korea, Japan, China, Pakistan. The correct option A, South Korea. Next question. Russia supply natural gas to the European countries which transits through state of option A, Turkey, option B, Estonia, option C, Ukraine, option D, Latvia. The correct option C, Ukraine. The next question. Balfour Declaration is related to the, and the correct option A, establishing of a national home for Jewish people. A correct option. Next question. Which of the following sea lie between Russia and Ukraine? The correct option C, Sea of Azov. Next question is, the Al Jafariya Palace, a fortified palace, is located in, and the correct option is, and correct option is Spain. Next question, the last question in this video. The Kokora Valley is the principal location of Quandio wax palm, where it is located, and the correct option C, Colombia. So this is the today video, and please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.